Today we are making this fish curry called pedi, in English herring. Pedi. It looks like sardine, but it's not sardine. It's herring fish. You see, in English, in herring we call kokni. In kokni we call pedi. Salt. The first thing you have to do, clean fish and marinate with salt. Also sometime with turmeric. But here we are marinating with salt and leave it. And in the meantime, we're going to prepare masala. Coconut, coriander seed, black peppercorn around 15 to 20, turmeric powder, Szechuan pepper, Kashmiri chili 4, 5, 6. 6 Kashmiri chili. If you don't like spicy, reduce it to half. I like bit spicy, but this is Kashmiri chili. It won't be that spicy. These are dry mango. So these are dried mango all the way from Goa. If you get it, if you don't have, use tamarind. I'm going to soak this at least for 10 minutes in a warm water, lukewarm water, so it gets soft when you grind them, because now it's very hard. You see, it's very hard. So that's why you need to soak this one at least for 10-15 minutes. So this is lukewarm water. I'll leave it around 15 minutes. In the meantime, I'll do something else. Szechuan pepper, we're gonna add at the end, at the boil, when the curry is boiling. That's the time you add Szechuan peppers in the mixture. Some water, a little bit. I'm using this one. It's very powerful, made in India, 1000 watts. Now I will add dry mango, the one we soaked before, and grind again. Like this, you're gonna have more beautiful paste. Our masala is ready now. Check the consistency. So nice and smooth. Put masala, little bit water. It's been 3 minutes now. A sauce is boiling. I prefer not to use spoon. This is the way you mix. Szechuan pepper, salt. I prefer sea salt. Fish cooking time is only take 8 minutes. That's enough. The fish curry is ready. Time to serve. देव बरे करू.